This is Jyoti from Tenet Technetronics. Today let us see the demonstration of Android 4 ice cream sandwich on Pandaboard OMAP4430. Before doing that, let us dive into some of the features of Android 4. So Android 4 brings you UI unified framework which allow us to create innovative applications for phones, and Android 4 includes all familiar Android 3 elements as well as APIs. Some of the new features of Android 4 includes communication and sharing. So this feature allows us to extend social and sharing features to any application on our device, and new media capabilities and new types of connectivity such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and some new UI components such as OpenGL texture views, hardware accelerated 2D drawing and layout enhancements. For this demonstration, I am using a 4GB card with the Android ICS binaries along with the HDMI cable which is connected to the DVI-D out of the Pandaboard, power supply which is 5V 3A, and an USB mouse. This is the home screen of Android 4 which is ICS. So unlock this. Click here to enter into menu settings. Click on settings to check the kernel version and Android version. In the system section, click on about tablet. Here you can find the model number as Panda along with the Android version as 4.0.1. The kernel version used is 3.0.1 and ICS has been built using full Panda ENG configuration. In the menu screen we can find two sections, one is apps and other one is the widgets. In the apps section we have different apps which include browser, calculator, calendar, clock, device tools, downloads, mail, gallery, movie studio, music, search option, settings, etc. In the widgets we can find different widgets which include analog clocks, bookmarks, calendar, music along with the contacts widget. Thanks for watching this video. For more information and queries, please log on to our website www.tenetech.com.